everyone, so I'm back with another video, and today I'll be talking about one of the most neglected things that we come across in this changing weather. However, I think we need them throughout the year, but we don't talk about it. Now, as you guys can see, the weather is changing, and there's a lot of dryness in the weather now. So I think it will be better for me to talk about this in the very beginning, so that you guys can go ahead and make changes in your vanity accordingly. So similarly, like with every changing weather, with every changing season, we change clothes and we try to upgrade them according to the weather. I think there's something like in your skincare also that we need to change and modify according to the changing weather. So what I'm going to talk about today is lip balms, the top 5 lip balms that I use throughout the year specifically, which I think works really well even in winters also with the changing weather. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into it, okay? The very first lip balm I'm going to talk about is by Nivea. That's how it looks like. This is the packaging. So this comes in a standard crayon packaging. You open this cap, you twirl it here, and the product comes out. So as you guys can see, this is the product. And if I try to swatch it here, you guys can see the pigment. So this is a pigmented lip balm, however, works really fine as a natural moisturizing lipstick. If you're somebody who doesn't like to use lipstick on a regular basis and you're good with the lip balm, I think this will work really well. This works well on your lips for approximately 4 to 5 hours. I think after that you will have to apply it again. Even though the pigment fades off a little bit, this gives you a tint on your lips, and moreover, it moisturizes your lips to a greater extent. So I think this works really fine for somebody who likes to invest not more than 150-200 rupees on a lip balm, and it goes for a very long time. So I think I'm quickly going to check if they have mentioned the quantity. Now the quantity isn't mentioned, I think, on this. The quantity isn't mentioned, but this goes for really well. So I think it's been more than 6 months that I've been using it, and this has worked really fine for me. So ever since I've bought it, I'm using this. So it works really well. If you're somebody who's interested in buying a pigmented lip balm, this is a very good option. Next on my list is the very famous Maybelline limited edition Baby Lips. So I think Baby Lips is available in a lot of variants. This was a limited edition that I got hold of. However, there are more Baby Lips available in the market in a lot of colors. So they're orange, red, pink, lighter pinks, nudes. So I think there are a lot of colors available in this. This, I would say, is more on the pigmented side. So I'll just quickly swatch it for you. As you can see, the pigment is really good. However, the moisturization power is not it's not something that would stay for a very longer time, like 2 to 3 hour max. I think after that you will have to apply it. However, I think this still works with me, and I don't really like to use lipsticks on an everyday basis because I'm not stepping out anyhow at this point in time due to this COVID situation. So throughout the day, if I apply it in the morning, somewhere around the afternoon, this works well for me to reapply. And talking about the pigment, it leaves a pigment on your skin, so that works with me also. So there's a hint of color on your lips, and it doesn't look like that you have to apply a little bit of lipstick to look polished and everything. So I think this works fine for me. So if you're somebody who again would like to invest in any lip balm with a little bit of pigment and a good sense of moisturizing, I think this is also going to work really well. Next on my list is Mistine Odd Lip Care. I bought this from my chemist, so I'm not sure if you can get hold of this, but you can try. Let me just quickly show you how this looks like first. Again, the same standard packaging, bull packaging. This comes in, you twirl it, the product comes out. This does not have any sort of pigment in this. So, but this smells fruity. Okay, not exactly strawberry, but fruity. So yeah, so talking about this particular lip balm, works really, really, really well. So if you apply it, it stays there on your lips throughout the day. Majorly 5-6 hours it does stay. It does not budge. Even if the glossiness goes away from your lips, the moisturization, the hydration stays really well on your lips. So I think this works really fine. However, if you cannot get hold of this, I think Vaseline, simple Vaseline, would work really well. So yeah, get this in mind. Next on my list is Nykaa Lip Crush. As you can see, this is in the variant Green Apple. What I don't like about this particular is the, you know, the weight or probably the dimensions of this particular lip balm. I prefer a bullet or crayon style lip balms because I find them really easy to, you know, keep with me. However, this one I find it a little bulky, so I don't like it. Although I love the packaging, it's very cute. It's those cookie don't kind of packaging, but I really prefer these kind of packaging wherein, you know, you have a stick and you just put it in your pocket and you're good to go. This looks like a huge coin you've kept in your jeans or in your pocket, so I don't really like this. But if I talk about the texture of this smells like green apple. Okay, it does smell like green apple. However, again, if I talk about this, does not have any sort of pigment. It doesn't have any pigment on it, and yeah, it doesn't have any pigment. However, the moisturizing and staying power of this particular lip balm, I would say that this also stays for good 4 to 5 hours. But if you're somebody who's eating constantly, I think this will fade off very quickly. Not very moisturizing, but yeah, works fine. Because I've bought it, I have to use it now. But still, if you're somebody who can reapply, who doesn't have a problem reapplying lip balms, I think this will work really fine. 4 to 5 hours, I think, is still a good amount of time. Next on my list is this lip balm from Body Shop. This is called the Lip Juicer lip balm from Body Shop. I think it retailed for 645. This is the costliest lip balm I have in my vanity. I think the rest of them were 150, 200, 300 max to max. These were the most expensive ones. I don't know why I bought 2 of these. Talking about the moisturization power, I think it's okay. It's decent. It's not very moisturizing. However, I think the reason I bought it was for the pigmentation, because I'm not somebody who, as I said, would like to apply lipstick on a daily basis. But I need some pigment on my lips so that I don't look washed out throughout the day. So for that, I think I bought these. And again, every day I think about it, why I bought 2 of them. I think I would have bought this one and I was good to go. But yeah, coming back to this, let me just quickly swatch this for you. So this is the darker pink one, and this is the lighter pink one. This is nourishing on the lips, but the first swatch, the first wipe that you give on your lips is very drying. Okay, so you need to actually rub it on your lips a little bit for you to get that kind of moisturization. But it's decent. It stays for good 2 to 3 hours, and then after that you have to apply again because this fades off completely. It gives you a little bit of pigment, but nothing too great to talk about. But if you are somebody who's looking for a lip balm or something, not as a lipstick, but yeah, something to give you a little bit of moisturization throughout the day, and you can reapply it, I think this is a very good option. But yeah, I would still advise you, do not buy 2 like me. Go ahead and buy 1. Works really fine. This also comes in, I think, 3 variants. 2 of them are these, and I think 1 is purplish in color. So yeah, you can go ahead. These are available on Body Shop and Nykaa. So these are completely available, and you guys can go ahead and watch it. So the next that I'm going to talk about is one tip actually that I would like to give it to you. I think they work really fine. Which is Borulin. So what you can do is you can apply Borulin on your lips, okay, and leave it throughout the night. The next morning when you wake up, so I would advise you to apply a thick layer of Borulin on your lips and leave it for the night. Next morning when you get up, take a brush or maybe a wet cloth and just rub your lips on top of the Borulin, okay, and this will exfoliate your lips to a great extent. Do not be harsh because it's your lips that we're talking about, but yeah, this works really fine. And then on top of that, you can apply probably a thin layer of Borulin or Vaseline or any of these lip balms that I've mentioned, and they work really fine for your lips. So with the changing weather, I think we need to take care of our lips also equally. So yeah, that's all from my end. That was the lip balm that I use on a regular basis, and I feel that they work really fine. However, they have pros and cons, but yes, I still feel that they work really well for me. So if you are somebody who's already used these lip balms, you have any suggestions, any comments, please do let me know. That's going to be really helpful for me as well as for the others who watch this particular video. And if you're new to this particular channel and you're stuck on this, please go ahead and subscribe this and try and spread this more and more with other people also if you like the video. Any other suggestions or comments, if you have, you know where to jot them down in the comments box below. And that's it. Till then, I'm signing off. You take care. Bye.